Hi, Dr. Roy Hall here. I'm with Mountain Health Functional Medicine here in Billings, Montana, and sending this out to our physical therapy folks here in the community, just saying, hey, if you got some people with some joint pain that's not getting any better or they're contemplating surgery, please think of us. We're doing regenerative medicine and been doing this now for 2 years here in Billings, really 2.5 years here in Billings, and getting some tremendous results. And in fact, the group we're affiliated with, we're not part of the group, but we affiliate with them. It's 130 clinics around the country. Their success rate of keeping people out of needing joint replacement is over 80%. And so the neat thing about doing the injections, which are stem cells and exosomes, is they come in, it takes about 5 minutes to do. Once the material's thawed out, they can go home and then go back to work the next day. There's no downtime. Unlike having a joint replaced, which can be, a couple of months. So please, if you have anybody who's thinking about surgery, send them our way. If you have somebody with neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, ankle pain that's just not getting better, and you want to offer them the stem cell therapy, please send them our way. We do like people getting back with physical therapy for 4 to 6 weeks post our procedure, just to be sure they're using the joint safely, and we'll send them back to you. So think about us at Mountain Health Functional Medicine here in Billings. Our web address is mh-fm.com. Hey, thanks for taking time out to listen to this. Have a good day, and maybe we'll meet somewhere for wine or coffee later. Bye.